So guys, welcome back. This is probably gonna be one of the last videos for Minty, Project E36, because she is sold. New owner comes in Saturday to pick her up with cash. So there are a few things we have to get done before he gets here, which is one, get the tires mounted on those wheels, which we have not done yet. We are doing that actually tomorrow. I don't have a choice. We have to do it tomorrow. And then we have to get a key from the dealership. So this is gonna be one of the last videos for this car. We're gonna have a few more of the little stuff that we do on it, getting it ready to go. So when I get the tires back tomorrow we're gonna put the sway bar links on and try to do the tie rods. But he is coming from San Antonio and gonna drive it back home. So this car is gonna be perfect. It's not no issues at all driving it from here to San Antonio. But we need to get it cleaned up, get a few things done on it, and get it ready for him to pick up. So what I'm gonna work on tonight is a few little areas that have paint marks, little tiny scratches, not anything big. Gonna work on cleaning those up and getting this thing just looking fresh for him. So let's get to it. Okay guys, well, we've got the back cleaned up. We had all our little chargers and stuff from before we had issues, but the car's cleaned up. As you can see, this thing is immaculate inside, so we don't have to do much inside. Clean it up. So now that we got all that, I'm gonna start full toolkit. I don't think you can see that, it's too dark, but I was making sure that all the toolkit pieces are there, and that they're all in place. So I'm not going to shut that because then we have to jump through there because we don't have the full key yet, but gonna get those put up and then get this seat kind of adjusted so it's not like all the way up. Oh god. There we go. Just kind of get it so they in the same position. But we're gonna continue working. I'm letting this kind of run for a minute, but what we need to do next is clay bar. So we're gonna get the clay bar out and start cleaning up the exterior of the car. So guys, we just leather conditioned the whole interior, and I gotta say, it looks brand spanking new. Like, this could be like right off the showroom. I picked this thing up and drove it here tight. Like, this thing is so clean inside. I would take this whole interior out and put it in the M3. Honestly would. The carpet, I would strip this thing and put it in there if this car wasn't so freaking clean. Oh, it's unbelievably clean. I don't think I'll ever own another clean E36 like this. You won't find one again this clean, this year, this mileage. You're gonna find 100, 200, 300,000 miles. So let's continue, get this thing cleaned up, guys. Let's go. Well guys, we took care of the little blemish that we had on the trunk. We have started restoring the trim on the back. So our next part is a finish clay barring the car and then finish doing our trim all the way around. So that is it for me tonight though. But that's what we're going to continue tomorrow. But for you, it's right now. We are back, guys, and we have a surprise finally. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have our tires mounted on our wheels. So we got all 4 tires finally mounted on our wheels, and we are going to install them real quick so that we can get these on, these back to Joseph, and actually get the wheels that are going to be sold with the car, because these are the wheels that I promised that I would sell the car with, and well, really the only wheels I have for the car. I don't have any other wheels. I have DS1s, but I'm not selling those right now. I am only selling the TSWs. The DS1s I have for the M3 and for future projects down the line. But I'm never getting rid of the DS1s. The stamped DS1s, super hard to find. Actually, with the sale of this car, I think there's a pair. I think there's a set for sale here in town, and I just might buy them. Because I want to stack up some DS1s. They're one of my favorite wheels for the M3, and if I ever get another one, I want to make sure I run DS1s on that one, because I'd run DS1s on that one if I was keeping the car, but we're not. So let's get these unloaded and let's get them started to get installed. So I'm actually really excited to see what these wheels look like, because I've only had one mounted on the car. Have not had more than one mounted, so I don't know what this car actually looks like with all 4 mounted, with the emblems and everything. I think the suspension should be fine. I don't think we need to adjust it, but don't know. We'll see once we get these mounted. So let's get our jack out and let's get this side jacked up and these DS2s off. So we got one side done. Guys, the gold looks fantastic on this color. It was definitely the right choice. The wheels look fantastic. Gonna get the center caps on once I'm all done, but look at that fitment. That is some, ooh. Oh, that is beautiful fitment. It is like perfect for this car. I need to straighten out the wheel, but you can see it's tucked just a little bit. You could maybe run a 5mm spacer in the front, but really you don't need to. So let's get the other side done and then call it a night. So guys, we got all 4 installed. Now we need to get, I'm gonna do a quick alignment tomorrow on it, and it'll be ready to go. I love the freaking wheels, guys. So we'll take a look at it tomorrow morning and really see what it looks like. But I'm gonna get it out, take some pictures before we actually, the new owner comes and picks it up. Gonna get out, take some pictures, get what it looks like. But let's look at it in the morning. So guys, this is what the car looks like with the wheels on. I actually absolutely love it. I love the color of the wheels to the car. I love everything about it. Exactly the way that I envision this car looking. Could be a tad bit lower, but I am not gonna adjust the suspension. So the new owner comes and picks it up on Saturday, guys. So this is Friday right now. This is the final video. So this is the last video of this car, unfortunately. I really would love to keep it. You know me, I would love to collect all of these cars and just stack them up and never get rid of them and keep them forever, because this one's just gonna go through the roof price wise, guys, but we need the space. The car was bought to be kind of a flip car anyways. I dailied it for a little bit, but it is time to go to a new home and we can finish up the M3 finally. This is, you know, we were supposed to be working on the M3 right now, but this popped up and we just took advantage of it. And yeah, so that's what happened, guys. Got a good offer on it. Made a little bit of money, and it's going to a good home. Somebody that I've personally car showed together with the red M3, and we've shown together for years, so he really wanted it. Shot up an offer, and we took it, and so he picks it up on Saturday. So if he'll let me film, then I will film him being here and picking it up and going through it. If not, this is it, guys. Say goodbye to Project Minty. She's gonna go to a good home. It hurts me to let it go, but we might find another one another day. Who knows? Don't know. Would love to pick up another M3, but we really need to finish the red one and put a lot of time and attention into that car. And hopefully tomorrow we'll pull it out. When I'm gonna pull this one out, I'm gonna wash it, detail it for him, clean up the lips of the wheels and stuff, and then we'll pull the M3 out. Hopefully have the M3 out here under the canopy, and then the new the Project Minty out there in the driveway for him to pick up. So stay tuned. Next video, I guess we'll be pulling out Minty and saying goodbye to this car. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. If you know of another project car you guys want me to grab, I know the E36 well, but if you know, like, I really would like a Porsche Boxster or something to just jump in, get my feet wet in the Porsche club, and you know, see if we can't, you know, modify one and flip it and see what we can do. But yeah, bye bye Project Minty. See you guys next video.